Hi, yogis. My name is CJ. I'm the owner here at Raga Yoga, and today I'm bringing you Vinyasa 101. We're going to talk about the foundational poses, the basic flow that is incorporated throughout most Vinyasa practices, and that is the sun salutation. Today we're going to start with a classical sun salutation, and that will begin us at the top of the mat. So standing tall here, we come into our first pose, which is mountain. You're tall like the mountain, reaching up to the sky, but firmly rooted below the surface of the earth. There's strength throughout the body without tension, and the lines are long. Fingers reach actively towards the earth, palms either open or facing the body. Breathe in through the nose here as you raise the arms up. Breathe out through the nose as you press the arms down. Inhale, reach up, lift the chin. This time we're going to bend the knees, hands to prayer, and bow to the mat. Inhale, half lift, Ardha Uttanasana, our next pose, making an L shape with strength throughout the body, the back muscles turned on. And then exhale, folding, bending the knees, ribs to thighs, Uttanasana, full fold. From here, we step back with the right leg and set the knee down. Low lunge, Anjaneyasana, rise up. Exhale, hands down, and we step our way back to down dog, a triangle shape, hips high. Strongly rooted, pressing the floor away, hips are lifting up and sending back. If it feels more accommodating on your spine to bend your knees, please do so. Don't worry, the hamstrings will get plenty of love throughout this series. On the breath in, float the right arm leg up, and then exhale, tuck the knee into the chest and step the foot between the hands. Back knee down, low lunge, other side, arms climb up. Exhale, hands to the earth, tuck the back toe under, and then press off. Stepping right into half lift, spinal muscles engaged. Exhale as you fold. Inhale, reach up, sweep up. Exhale, hands to prayer. We come down for the second side. Inhale, half lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, full fold, Uttanasana. Left leg steps back. Pressing down, root through the back shin, the foot, the top of the toes. Breath in. Exhale, stepping back again. Down dog. Shoulders drawing away from one another in the back body. Neck hangs freely. Inhale, take that left leg up. Exhale, tuck it in. Step it foot between the hands. Look where you're going, setting the back knee down. Rise up. Exhale, hands to earth. Tuck the back toe under and step to join top of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, full fold. Inhale, sweep up. This time we pause with hands at heart. So we're going to add on plank pose, Chaturanga Dandasana, and our cobra variations. Inhale, arms reach up, reach through ring fingers, energize. Exhale as you fold. Inhale, engage, legs are strong, hamstrings open here. Exhale, deepening the fold. Step back with the right leg, breath in, rising up, knee down. And then exhale, let's take it back to down dog and go from there. All right, we're going to shift our way forward now into plank, really coming into fingerprints. Press the floor away, inner elbows presenting forward. As we lower to the earth, we want to end up with our hands back by our rib cage and our chest moving forward. So begin by rolling into your toes, extend, and then bend the elbows, hover, hold. If this is challenging to maintain, set the back knees down. Note my shoulders are not dropping below my elbows and collarbones are broad. This is where we lower to the mat completely. Beautiful. Maybe the hands slide back even a little lower to accommodate. Elbows squeeze in and spinal strength lifts you up into low cobra. Try not to just get it out of cranking the neck. We're really drawing the shoulders back, sliding the shoulder blades down and squeezing towards each other. Exhale, release, press it up, and send it back. As we did before, the right leg rises, the right knee tucks in, foot between the hands, back knee down. Inhale, Anjaneyasana, breath up. Exhale, breath out. Tuck the back toe under and then press off. Inhale, long breath there. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep it up, and we come down for a second side, bowing. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, hands to earth. Left leg steps back. Left knee comes down. Inhale. Moving with that rhythm of breath. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, forward. Keep going, keep going. Bend the elbows, hover, and then place to the earth. Inhale again, low cobra rising. Elbow squeeze back and down. Exhale, release. Press it up and send it back. Inhale, left leg, staying with rhythm. Exhale, tuck it in, plant it. Inhale, knee down and rise up. Exhale, hands down. Tuck that back toe under and then take a nice breath, moving forward, extending through crown. Exhale, folding completely. Inhale, sweep up, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Let's add on. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step back, right leg. Anjanasana. Breath up. Exhale, down dog. Breath out. Inhale, forward plank. Exhale, chaturanga to the earth. All right, let's explore a king cobra, coming up with some weight into the hands, but not all the way. Heart still moving through, hips moving through, shoulders really engaged down that back. Strong through the middle spine. Exhale, release to the mat. Press it up and come on back. Nice. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, tuck, plant, and then breath in as you come back to Anjanasana, low lunge. Exhale, hands down, tuck, and lift half. Fold full. Inhale up. Exhale, coming down for the left lead. We'll do that again. In breath, out breath, step back. In breath, rise. Out breath, down dog. In breath, plank. Out breath, chaturanga. And down. Inhale, low, or come back to the king. Exhale, release. Down dog. Inhale, left. Exhale, tuck. Step, knee down. In breath here. Out breath here. In breath here. Lifting, half. Keeping the rhythm. Exhale, fold. Inhale, raise up. Pausing, hands at heart. We're going to take that cobra one step further. Breathing in. Exhale, bow, breathing out. Breathing in, lengthen. Breathing out, fold. Right leg back, knee down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, plank. Moving beyond chaturanga. And then to the mat. Beautiful. Hands again low. Coming up, spinal strength. Keep that spinal strength turned on. And then lifting up, thighs off, hips pulling forward. Right, shoulders back, up dog. Pressing the tops of the feet into the mat. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg rises. Exhale, tuck, step, knee down. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, hands to earth, runners, and then press off. In breath, out breath. Linking these sides up and bowing back down. Rhythm of breath, rhythm of movement. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, left knee down. Root and then rise with the rebound of energy. Exhale, taking it back, down dog. Inhale, moving from plank to chaturanga to the mat. Again, we explore the three: low, king, or up dog. Nice. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Coming back, it's down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, left leg up. Finishing this off, tuck it in, plant it, knee down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, tuck, and then press off, breath in. Exhale, breath out. Inhale, breath in. Exhale, pause, hands at heart. Our final option, we're going to see about going right from chaturanga into up dog. Inhale, breath up. Exhale, breath out. Begins the same. Inhale, half. Exhale, fold. Right leg back, right knee down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down dog, back. Inhale, forward. You've been practicing this hover, so find your hover, and then tops of the feet. Legs never touch the mat. Exhale, back, down dog. Beautiful. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, tuck, step, knee down. Breath in. Breath out. Breath in, step it. Breath out, fold it. Coming up, we're linking that left lead. Take it to the top. Exhale, come on back down. In breath. Out breath. Left leg back. Knee down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down dog. Press back with the hands. Push back. And then pull forward, plank to chaturanga. Up dog. And down dog. Left leg rises. Tuck it in. Foot between the hands. Knee down. Inhale up. Exhale, hands down. Tuck back toes. Step. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. And again, let's pause with hands at heart. Releasing the hands by your sides, returning to your mountain pose. And notice how the body feels here. Perhaps reflecting on the first mountain. And at the end of our sun salutations, harness the energy by harnessing the breath. Nice. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, come on down. Inhale, half lift. We're going to slow everything down as we step back into Anjaneyasana now and set the knee down. Inhale, take the arms up. Exhale, hands to front thigh. You're in a 90-90, so a more traditional Anjaneyasana, not dumping the hips forward. The front heel pulls to the back knee pulls to the front heel. The legs scissor close. Awesome. Hands on the front thigh, keeping the front heel down. Explore moving forward, not dumping. Exhale. So I'm trying to keep hips back, ribs in. Again. Nice. One more. Hold here. Hold here. Press away. Hold here. Trying to pull that right back hip forward, that front left hip back. Exploring flexion in the front of the knee and the ankle. I know those feet got rolling over and back, stepping forward and back, setting me down. Lots of activity. And that mobility in the ankle and foot will translate directly up to what's happening through knees and hips and eventually spine. Right? So starting the base, tracking the chain. And then as we begin to straighten it out, we're going to rock back to a half split. Now from here, you may want to take a bigger step. That may mean letting the front foot move forward or the back knee move back. As you rock to half split, take your left thumb into your left hip crease and pull the hip back as you straighten the leg. Try it again. Again, pull the hip back, working to get this connection of ribs to thighs, and then pull the hip back. Hold here. Inhale, lift like you're coming through that cobra, that low cobra. So turning on the spinal muscles. The front hip still pulling back. Ground down a bit, slightly pushing the heel down, and tone the back of the leg that you're stretching. Too intense a bend in that knee is just fine. Staying with here. And then shift it forward. Nice. From here, tuck back toes under, lift it, and let's step the right leg to the front. Inhale, half. We're going to go right into the other side. Exhale, fold, hands down, left knee back, left knee down. 90-90. Squeeze those feet towards each other, front to back, right? Pulling the inner thighs in, coming up on top. Glutes are turned on. I'm working structure and balance to be upright here, shoulders over hips. Then hand to front thigh. We're going to explore that bit of a flexion, forward and out and forward and back and forward and then hold, right? Not again dumping. I'm trying to create space of the hip coming back, right? Hip bone pulling back leg coming forward. Really pulling using that front heel, keep it rooted. Take the arms up this time, grab opposite elbows and give a little pull. That's a pull as the shoulders broaden away from each other. No strain on the neck. Awesome. Inhale, unwinding. Bring the hands behind. Open up the chest. Couple of breaths. Beautiful. Planting the hands, let's rock to the half split here. Again, if you like that thumb in the hip crease, helping to draw it back, I'm working to lengthen my ribs down the thigh. Bend it back. Again, hinge it back. Nice. Hinge it back. And then again, lift through the sternum. Holding here. Flexing the toes, curling them back. Rooting, right? Leg is alive. Think of this nice V shape that you're creating. And then inhale, come forward. Tuck back toes under. Step the left foot to join the right. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, stay low, folding. And we're coming all the way down. Hands behind, arms in front. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hollow and lower down. Finding comfort on the earth. Shake out the legs. Ease through the arms. And we'll do a final twist here. Bring the feet together, nice reclined single leg twist. Left foot onto right leg, cross it over. Reaching back through the left arm. And then center back out. And then we'll come to that same balance line to start, and then right foot to left, right arm out, and spinal twist here. Softening right shoulder down, left shoulder down. Couple of breaths. And then back to your center. Settle in for Shavasana. I'll be leaving you here. Please take as much time as you can. Closing the eyes, letting that breath just be whatever you need. Mouth slightly open, eyes sink deep and heavy. Stay 5 minutes, stay 10 minutes, stay 15, and really make the most of your practice today. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, namaste.